So now I will show you how to do a factory network unlock. In my opinion, this is the most valuable way to unlock your phone, and once you have an unlocked phone, you will be able to resell it at a higher price, and your phone will be compatible worldwide with all carriers. The first thing we have to do is to disable Find My iPhone, so simply go to Settings, scroll down where it says iCloud, and scroll all the way down where it says Find My iPhone. Make sure it is completely off, so you can turn it back on once your iPhone has been unlocked successfully. Alright, so then we have to get the IMEI number. Simply open your dial pad and type *#06#. So as you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear. You can also find this number on the back part of the box of your phone or also in the SIM card tray. Alright, so this is by far the most important part of the whole unlocking process. Now keep this number somewhere close as we will need it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Alright, so now we're gonna use the computer. iTunes saying congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. Boom, there you go guys, your phone is now fully factory unlocked and now it's compatible worldwide with all carriers. You should get a full signal on your new carrier. And that's it guys, that's how we unlock an iPhone 7. That's all for today guys. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll try to help you as soon as I can. By the way guys, we're also giving away a free iPhone 7, completely sealed, brand new phone. You can find the instructions on how to enter the giveaway in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, take care.
Hey guys, we're still here at the Apple event and we're taking a look at the two new colors in the collection. This is the jet black iPhone 7 and this is the matte black, regular black iPhone 7 Plus. And we're going to take a closer look, particularly this one, which seems to be a fingerprint magnet. But other than that, it looks really nice. As you can see, it almost looks like it has a completely uniform body. You can slightly detect the ridge over here where the actual screen begins and the back cover ends, but as I mentioned before, this is going to be a huge issue in keeping your phone clean. As you can see here, the new camera, but it looks pretty elegant if you can keep your fingerprints off of it. Now let's take a look at the Plus model. Obviously the dual camera is the first thing you'll notice, but the new matte black finish, which replaces the space gray, which we had before. Also, you can see that the antennas have now moved position. They're now on the border of the actual phone, which is also a nice and welcome change. And lastly, let's take a look at the biggest design change of all, which is the removal of the headphone jack. You now have two stereo speakers on the bottom. And sorry, I forgot one more. The home button. The home button actually has haptic feedback, so I can feel it, but it doesn't actually click or go down. So it'll detect the pressure and serve an actual home button. Apple may be prepping us for the removal of the home button in the 2017 model. And that's it for now, but for more details, make sure to check out our full coverage at cnet.com.